Have you ever paused, looked out at the vast ocean, and wondered what it would truly be like if humans not only visited, but actually lived in the ocean, making it our permanent home? What if our lungs were capable of breathing water instead of air, seamlessly existing within this liquid realm? Imagine a world of shimmering coral reefs, bursting with life and color, and mysterious trenches, plunging into the inky blackness of the abyss, where our cities are not made of concrete and steel, but built from living coral and glowing stone, pulsating with bioluminescent light. Our roads would be ocean currents, swirling pathways guiding us through underwater landscapes, and the sounds around us would be the haunting and beautiful songs of whales, echoing through our underwater metropolises, and the constant, comforting crackle of reefs, the very heartbeat of our civilization. Humanity would have to adapt in profound ways, undergoing a transformation unlike any other in our history. Not just our homes, the structures we inhabit, but our very bodies, evolving to thrive in this alien environment. To survive in this breathtaking yet unforgiving world, a place of immense beauty and equally immense danger. The ocean demands respect and adaptation. It is a force of nature that cannot be tamed, only understood. To thrive, we'd need to become part of its ancient rhythms, moving in harmony with the tides and currents, a seamless integration with the marine ecosystem. Our story begins with a challenge, a monumental undertaking that will test the limits of human ingenuity and resilience. What would it take realistically for us to not just visit, but truly live there, generation after generation? We'd need to change everything. Reimagine our existence from the ground up. Our biology, pushing the boundaries of genetic engineering. Our technology, developing groundbreaking underwater infrastructure. Our spirit, embracing a new way of life in harmony with the ocean. By picturing ourselves as underwater beings, graceful and fluid in our movements, we gain a new appreciation for the delicate balance of marine life, the intricate web of connections that sustains this underwater world. So, take a deep breath, or perhaps, in this new world, a gulp of water. And let's dive into the extraordinary possibility, the seemingly impossible dream, of life as a citizen of the great blue expanse, a world of endless horizons and untold wonders. Let's discover the wonders that await, the secrets hidden beneath the waves, in a world governed by the ocean's powerful embrace, a force that shapes our planet and now, perhaps, our very future. To thrive underwater, our bodies would transform dramatically. Picture sleek, dolphin-like skin and webbed fingers and toes, turning us into natural swimmers. Our eyes would grow larger, adapted for the dim light of the deep, protected by a nictitating membrane. We'd hear through vibrations, attuned to the ocean's subtle sounds. The biggest change? Gills. Feathery organs along our necks, drawing oxygen from water. No more surfacing for air. The ocean itself would be our atmosphere. Our bones would become flexible, like a shark's, to withstand crushing pressure. Air-filled cavities would disappear, replaced by naturally pressurized bodies. This Aqua-Human would be a marvel of adaptation, strong, graceful, and perfectly at home in the sea. We'd be a new expression of humanity, shaped by the ocean's demands. Imagine waking to the glow of bioluminescent algae outside your coral home. Your day begins in a city of living reefs, surrounded by the gentle embrace of water. Instead of soil, you tend gardens of swaying kelp and seaweed, harvesting food and oxygen for your community. Children swim to open-water classrooms, learning marine biology firsthand among curious fish. Adults work as coral architects, whale song conductors, or deep-sea explorers, mapping the ocean floor. The community moves in a silent ballet, life unfolding in harmony with the sea. As night falls, bioluminescent creatures light up the darkness in a natural fireworks display. Families gather to share stories, watch manta rays dance, or listen to the haunting melodies of whales. Life here is slower, more connected to nature, and deeply peaceful. Every moment is shaped by the ocean's rhythm. It's a life of profound harmony with the deep. Living underwater presents unique opportunities, especially when it comes to our diet. Imagine a world where our sustenance is drawn directly from the ocean's embrace. We'd practice sustainable aquaculture, a responsible approach to seafood production. This involves carefully raising fish in controlled environments, ensuring a consistent and reliable food source without depleting wild populations. We would also focus on cultivating oysters and mussels, remarkable shellfish that not only provide nourishment, but also play a vital role in cleaning the water, acting as natural filters to maintain the health of our underwater ecosystem. Our diet would be naturally rich in omega-3s, essential fatty acids crucial for brain health and overall well-being, readily available from the fish and other marine organisms we consume. And let's not forget the vibrant marine vegetation. Kelp, a versatile and rapidly growing seaweed, sea lettuce, a delicate and flavorful green algae, dulce, a reddish seaweed known for its smoky flavor, and nori, the seaweed used in sushi, packed with nutrients and umami. These underwater crops would be staples, forming the foundation of many of our meals, used in fresh salads and comforting broths, naturally heated by the Earth's geothermal energy at hydrothermal vents. Cooking would be inventive steaming food at hydrothermal vents, utilizing the natural heat sources deep within the ocean, curing with salt harvested directly from the sea, or marinating in the naturally acidic juices extracted from various sea plants, adding unique flavors and preserving our food. Snacks might include crystallized sea grapes, offering a burst of salty sweetness, or delicate jellies made from the vibrant red seaweed, a delightful and healthy treat. Even treats would be ocean-inspired, reflecting the beauty and wonder of our surroundings, like pearls of flavor derived from bioluminescent marine plants, offering a visual and gustatory spectacle. Every meal would connect us to the sea, fostering a deep appreciation for the source of our sustenance, reminding us of our place in its intricate food web and our responsibility to protect it. Our cuisine would be healthy, diverse, reflecting the abundance of the ocean, and perfectly adapted to our unique underwater environment, providing us with the nutrients and energy we need to thrive. No fire needed. We harness the Earth's natural heat, just creativity, ingenuity, and the boundless resources of the ocean. It would be a true celebration of marine life, a testament to the ocean's generosity. A pescatarian paradise, a haven for seafood lovers, sustained by the sea and in turn, sustaining us. Transportation underwater would be elegant and efficient, with no need for cars or roads. We'd ride ocean currents, our natural highways, timing journeys to catch the perfect flow. Our webbed bodies would make us powerful swimmers, but we might also use propulsion devices inspired by dolphins or squids. These would be silent, eco-friendly, and powered by our own movement or temperature differences. For long trips or heavy loads, we'd partner with whale sharks or manta rays, or use organic submarines grown from living materials. Navigation would be three-dimensional, using sonar, bioluminescent markers, and knowledge of underwater landmarks. Cities would be designed for vertical travel, free from congestion. Every commute would be a chance to glide through stunning seascapes and observe marine life. Travel would be joyful, not a chore. It would redefine what it means to move through a city. Our underwater homes would be living works of art, built in harmony with the sea. Inspired by corals, we'd use bioconcrete colonized by polyps, creating strong self-repairing structures. Cities would rise organically from the seabed, spiraling upward and connected by kelp bridges or cartilage tunnels. Interiors would glow with bioluminescent light, and windows would be grown from transparent crystal. Furniture might be shaped from sea fans or smooth stone, blending seamlessly with the environment. The constant movement of water would create a soothing soundtrack to daily life. Buildings would flex with currents, anchored deep into volcanic rock for stability. In seismic zones, flexible joints would absorb shocks, much like sea kelp. Our cities would be living reefs, providing shelter for humans and marine creatures alike. They'd be a resilient, beautiful extension of the ocean itself. Life underwater brings unique challenges. The crushing pressure of the deep demands flexible bodies and advanced pressure-resistant habitats. Communication is tricky. Radio waves fail, so we'd use sonar clicks, whistles, and bioluminescent signals. The cold would require insulating blubber, geothermal heated homes, or special suits trapping warm water. We'd share the sea with formidable predators, sharks, giant squid, so non-lethal defenses like sonic blasts or blinding ink would be essential. Navigating treacherous terrain and unpredictable currents would require constant vigilance and advanced mapping. Survival would depend on intelligence, adaptation, and respect for the ocean's power. Every day would test our ingenuity, but these challenges would make us stronger and more connected to our environment. The ocean's demands would shape us into true citizens of the deep. Our greatest strength would be our ability to adapt. Life in the sea contrasts sharply with life on land. On land, we're bound by gravity, moving in two dimensions. Underwater, we're free to move in all directions. Our cities would grow vertically, and our sense of space would be transformed. Weather would mean currents and tides, not wind or rain. The sun's influence fades with depth, replaced by perpetual twilight and bioluminescent glow. We'd be constantly immersed in our environment, feeling every change in temperature and pressure. This intimacy would foster a deeper ecological responsibility. Life would be quieter, slower, and more contemplative. The ocean's gentle pressure and muffled sounds might lead to a calmer, more serene existence. It's a trade-off. The land's chaos for the ocean's peace. Each world offers its own unique beauty and way of life. Our journey underwater, even if just in our minds, reveals profound lessons. It's a journey into a world both alien and intimately connected to our own. Lessons about adaptation, resilience, and our fundamental connection to the intricate web of nature. We begin to understand how every creature, every plant, plays a vital role in the ocean's delicate balance. Imagining life with gills, the ability to breathe beneath the surface, and webbed hands, tools for navigating the currents, deepens our appreciation for the sheer brilliance of evolution and the incredible diversity it has wrought. It showcases nature's ingenuity in crafting life forms perfectly suited to their environment. It reminds us, in the most vivid terms, that true survival means harmonizing with nature, understanding its rhythms, and respecting its boundaries. It's about coexisting, not conquering it, not bending it to our will without regard for the consequences. An underwater society, if we could create one, would be a shining model of sustainability, a testament to resourcefulness and mindful living. It would be a world where every resource is recognized as precious, finite, and deserving of careful stewardship, and where the health of the community is inextricably linked to the health of the entire ecosystem, a vital lesson for our own world. This powerful vision challenges us to fundamentally rethink our wasteful and often destructive, polluting ways on land, and to consider the long-term impact of our actions. By daring to imagine ourselves as integral parts of the marine world, as beings adapted to its unique demands, we cultivate a deeper sense of empathy and understanding for all ocean creatures, great and small. We begin to truly see the sea not just as a resource, but as a vibrant, complex, and irreplaceable home to countless forms of life. The story of the underwater human, the person who bridges the gap between our world and theirs, is ultimately a story of hope, resilience, and boundless possibility. It celebrates our inherent capacity for positive change, for groundbreaking innovation, and for finding new ways to live in harmony with the natural world. Even if we never actually grow gills, a physical transformation that remains in the realm of imagination, simply imagining it inspires creative and practical solutions for the very real-world challenges we face in protecting our planet. The ocean's unfathomable vastness and enduring mystery have always captivated and inspired the human spirit. And by daring to dream of a life lived in its deepest, most unexplored depths, we unlock new understandings, not only about the sea itself, but also about the very essence of ourselves and our place in the world.